everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple photo into a cool video with a motion blur background effects using InShot. It's super easy, 100% free, and only takes a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot and then import the photos that you want to use. And then just set the clip's durations according to your preference, maybe around 3 to 5 seconds for the best look. Next, adjust the ratio. You can set it depending on where you will pause. And then now duplicate your photo clips like this. And then just duplicate the all clips like this. And then just take the duplicate one and place it on top as an overlay like this. Like this. And then on the overlay clips or PIP, just go to cut out to remove the backgrounds of the clips. And then just cut out all the clips like this. Next, just select the main clips again and then just go to filter and then choose cocoa, this one, and adjust the intensity as you like. And don't forget to apply this filter to all your clips. Just click on this icon and then just apply to all like this. And then just go to effects and then choose blur and then choose path and then just choose the effects on full mode like this and then adjust the value. In this tutorial I will make it to the max like this. Now just select the cut out clips on the overlay or the IP and then go to adjust, choose filter and then adjust and then just increase the saturation slightly so the subject pops out more against the blur backgrounds like this. And then just repeat these steps to all your cut out clips. Like this. And that's it. And on the last you will get a beautiful motion blur background effects like this. And from here you can keep editing like add text or transitions or add stickers or even you can also add a background music to make your video even cooler. And okay, that's how you turn a stylish motion blur video in InShot. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.